Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are filming a speed reviews. I've been testing some makeup and I'm so excited to tell you about it. I'm wearing most of it, so I will be able to show you on my face as well. I have some really great products in here and some that are just maybe skippable. So let's start in no particular order with my blush. I have two blushes actually today. I just decided to pick this one. The Sephora VIB sale is ongoing when I'm filming this one. This was a bit discounted, so I decided to pick it up. It is the Natasha Denona My Mini Dream Glow Blush. And this has two blush colors and one highlighter in here, but I do like to mix them. I did use this one twice, so it's not the biggest of a review, but in general with blushes it is pretty easy to see how they look on the cheeks and stuff like that. So this one didn't impress me that much. Maybe I'm gonna wear it more and fall in love with it. It is the newest product from all of these. If you are mixing all of them together, it will look like a natural, a bit glowy blush. Overall it is nice, it wears great, and the packaging is really nice, but it didn't impress me that much. I would have liked something a bit more shimmery from this one, so that's why I applied this one on top. This is the Sephora Colorful Blush. In my opinion, this is a blush topper. On its own, it looks very sheer and with a bit of shimmer. It's more like a highlighted type of product, but the combo of these two looks great. So let me show you the cheeks. They look great. Don't get me wrong, both of these products are pretty nice if you know what are you buying. So if you want a more diffuse blush, this is it. But if you want a blush topper, maybe on top of a matte cream blush, maybe the new Rare Beauty ones, this could look nice. Let's talk about a brow gel, actually two brow gels. My Too Faced one seems to be discontinued, so I'm trying others, and I think the Rare Beauty one is the winner. I tried this one, the Benefit one, Fluff Up Brow Wax. I'm wearing it today, and I don't know if you are able to see, but my brows are pretty sad today. I've been wearing this makeup for maybe half an hour maximum, and my brows are already down. So now that I showed you how they look, I can apply the Rare Beauty one and just make them a bit more fluffy. So the Rare Beauty one, great brow gel. This one is, in my opinion, not strong enough. And this one as well, this is the Brow Sculpting Gel from Ardell. I was unable to find any review on YouTube or anywhere, so I decided to try it myself. Not a good product. The brush is absolutely a joke. Look at it. It's bigger than my brows. So you could only imagine how messy this is, and it's not keeping anything in place, so this will be used for my hair as well. Let's talk about a setting spray. I bought this one from Huda Beauty, and I love it. This is great. First of all, the sprayer is the best sprayer I ever tested. It's so diffused. I can apply it from here. It could be very close to my face. It looks great. It is helping with the wear of my makeup, and it is melting the powders into the skin. I really like this one. I could see it become one of my favorites, and I need to test it even more with the Charlotte Tilbury, just side by side. Maybe to do half and half or something, just to see, but they are both incredible products. Next, let's talk about the Makeup by Mario gloss. I am wearing it today. It's nice, but it is special in any shape or form? Absolutely not. I prefer the Milk makeup one. That one is just more plush on the lips. This one is just nice. For this day and age, there are so many glosses, so this one is not special at all. This is a product that I heard so good things about. This is the Skin Silk Under Eye Brightener and Concealer. This is from Makeup Revolution, so it is affordable. But first of all, let me tell you that I don't use in general under eye brighteners, so take my review with a grain of salt. But at the same time, this is called Under Eye Brightener and Concealer. This is concealing absolutely nothing. This is like another step in my makeup routine and I don't need another step. If you are doing a no makeup with just a handful of products, maybe you can enjoy this one. If you are applying too much, it will crease because it is a bit of a creamy concealer. Overall, it's decent, but not for me in particular. So that's that. Then I purchased the Too Faced. How is it called? Melting, Bronzing and Sculpting Stick. I have the shade Chocolate Mousse in here. This, first of all, it smells like chocolate, orange chocolate. It's great and it is a bit cooling on the cheeks and I'm wearing it today. That's the only bronzer product that I have. It's very easy to blend. It's just melting into the skin like the name is saying. In my opinion, the Rare Beauty one is even easier to blend, but this one I think it is more pigmented than that one. Overall, the packaging is 11 out of 10. The smell is very nice. It wears great. This will become for sure one of my favorites. It's so good quality and it is wearing so nicely. Then we have two powders to talk about. First of all, I bought the Essence Flawless Skin Trio Loose Setting Powder. This product, it's so well thought out. I am impressed. So if you really want to test like the Huda Beauty colorful powders, this has a peach, a pink and a purple lavender powder. This is so well thought out. Can't recommend it enough. So maybe don't travel with this one or be very careful because right now I can put just the top one and that's it. And you have one of these openings always open. You can just move this thing and choose your color if you want only one, or you can remove this one, but it is a bit hard for me with my nails to remove it. But you can remove the stoppery thing and you have all three colors and you can put it somewhere and mix all of those. I usually do that because I like the mix of them. This is so nice. Don't get me wrong, it is not Huda Beauty quality because of course it's not that blurring, it doesn't make the makeup last that long and etc, etc. But if you want to test a colorful powder like this and you have three in here, so you are testing all three shades and you can mix them as well. I have it on my under eye today and my under eye and my T-zone looks great. I really like this one. Can't recommend it enough and it is just so affordable. So if you want to try something like this, I think this is the best. And then Kosas is available at our Sephora and I decided to purchase this powder. This is the Kosas Cloud Set Powder. I bought the Breezy shade, so it is pretty light. I think it is the second shade. This is a baked powder. And when I swatched it, I saw that it has some shimmer, but you cannot see it on the face. In my opinion, this is a very blurring, blending the edges kind of powder. Do you need to pay this price for a powder like this? In my opinion, no. I prefer the NYX powder. That one is not baked, first of all. This one is thinner and it is more like a luxurious powder, but at the same time the NYX one could set the makeup better, and that one is just a stronger powder. So you have options. You can apply a very thin layer and just diffuse the edges and stuff like that, or you can build it up a bit and set your makeup. Overall, I really enjoy it in my collection. I'm sure that I will make it work and I will use it to diffuse my makeup and stuff like that, but it's not something that is necessary in my opinion. And lastly, let's end with two products from Byoma. This is a skincare brand. I really like it because it is available at Sephora. So you can get the discounts from Sephora, but at the same time, it's just a more affordable brand and the packaging is nice. Everything about this brand is really great. Maybe the packaging is a bit bulky, so if you don't have a lot of space, maybe you will not enjoy that. So we have here the Milky Moisture Cleanser, and this one is the Hydrating Milky Toner. Both of these are just great. This is a very everyday cleanser. I've been liking it. I'm using this one most days. If I have more makeup on, I'm gonna use a stronger one, but for most of the time, this is the one that I'm using, and it is so nice. It is cleansing everything, but at the same time, it's very gentle, a bit hydrating. I really like this one. And then the Milky Toner is so nice. So usually I'm cleansing my skin with this one and then applying a few drops on clean skin. And it looks so nice and so fresh, and then I'm applying even more hydration if I want, or my retinol or something like that. These are great products. So this was everything that I wanted to talk about today. I found some really great products and some that are just not for me or not very special. If you like this video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I will see you next time.